Maraming nagsiselfie?
Oh, si-selfie. Siniselfihan yung balot. Oh.
So you're placing them na, meaning to say, are you going to pursue cases against them?
We will have it investigated by our law department to determine whether there is probable cause, to determine whether we have jurisdiction. Although offhand, I can say to you that our embassies and consulates are extensions of Philippine territory. So any offense committed there is committed within the Philippines. Ha? Although kung mag-selfie ka, mag-rally ka doon sa palengke ng Hong Kong, wala kang offense sa Pilipinas dahil wala tayong territorial jurisdiction sa public market or public plaza ng Hong Kong. Pero kung magra-rally ka, magkakampanya ka for any candidate, inside our embassy, labag sa batas po yan. And we will trace it just like we have traced or we are tracing all those who appear to have violated our election laws. Hindi naman po pananakot ito. Hindi naman madala ang mga tao natin takutin, no. We are just saying na huwag natin gawing parang variety show, to borrow your word, or parang pinaglalaroan natin ang proseso ng halalan. Seryosong bagay po ang halalan.
Sir,
So bawal na bawal ang mag-selfie.